الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم۔ آج ہم جس ٹاپک پہ بات کرنے جا رہے ہیں وہ خواتین کے حقوق ہیں۔ وومن رائٹس اور ہیومن رائٹس، خواتین کے حقوق۔ ہمارے معاشرے میں ماں بھی ہے، بہن بھی ہے، بیٹی بھی ہے، بھانجی بھی ہے، بھتیجی بھی ہے۔ یہ مختلف رشتے ہیں جو اسلام نے ہمیں دیے ہیں۔ بینگ اے ہیومن بینگ، ہم یہ سوچنے پر مجبور ہیں کہ کیا ہم اپنے معاشرے میں خواتین کو صحیح حقوق مل رہے ہیں یا نہیں مل رہے ہیں۔ خواتین کے حقوق کی جب بات کرتے ہیں تو آج سے 1400 سال پہلے عرب کی علام کے سرزمین پہ ایک ایسا شخص نمودار ہوا جس کا نام محمد لقب مصطفیٰ رحمۃ للعالمین۔ لاسٹ سرمن آف دی ہولی پرافٹ پیس بی اپان ہم، محمد مصطفیٰ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے خطبہ حجۃ الوداع کے موقع پر فرمایا، کسی کالے کو گورے پر، کسی گورے کو کالے پر، کسی عربی کو اجمی پر، کسی اجمی کو عربی پر کوئی فوقیت حاصل نہیں ہے۔ خواتین کے حقوق پر بھی بیان کیا کہ خواتین کے معاملات میں اللہ سے ڈرو، اور اسلام نے خواتین کو بھی حقوق دیے ہیں۔ اس کے بعد میگنا کارٹا 1215 میں معرض وجود میں آیا، اس میں بھی خواتین کے حقوق کو بتایا گیا۔ اس کے بعد UN کا چارٹر بنایا گیا جو 1948 میں پیش کیا گیا، اس میں بھی خواتین کے حقوق کے اوپر بات کی گئی۔ وومن رائٹس آر ہیومن بینگ۔
Educate the women. Even they thought that the women can be lived only in the circumstances of being slave, or can be utilized as being the prostitute, and they were only thinking that the woman is just a down to earth character of our society. But Islam and our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam proved the women glory and made them clear that the women are the blessing of Almighty rather than the sign of insult. Women of Pakistan. Look, we have the main example of women of Pakistan who have proved themselves very efficient and who have been very exceptional in the multiple fields of their own fields, which includes Sayyida Sophia Begum of Muslim Town Lahore, started the first English school for Muslim children, and this is not the cup of tea. So being at that time she proved, she struggled and she hard worked for the betterment for the children. Moreover, we have Arfa Kareem Randhawa, the youngest software engineer, is also a woman. Moreover, we have the Nobel Prize winner Malala Yousafzai is also the woman who fought for the rights of the women throughout. Moreover, Dr. Afia Siddiqui is also the woman who was the who is psychological doctor, a scientist, and we may pray that it may come from out of the prison, and we are very optimistic, inshallah she will be out of the prison. In 1916, under the constitution, the women were given the different rights. In 1956 to 1973, their all acts and the parliament thought that the women are also the integral part of our society. Violence against women. In 1999, at least 1,000 women were murdered in Pakistan. 90% of women reported being subject to the domestic violence. Law enforcement authorities routinely dismiss the domestic violence as a private dispute. Actually, the thing is that in 1999, from till the 2024, the women have been victimized, have been raped, have been we will discuss it in the further slides, which are acid attacks, and they have been suppressed. Actually, the thing is that there are the two school of thoughts. Some people think that the women should not be given right to cross the boundary of the home, but the thing is that if the woman, unless the woman cannot, if the woman will not cross the boundary of his or home, she cannot educate herself, she cannot be the educated. Regardless of the fact that if she is raped, if she is mentally tortured or harassed, it means that there are the faults in the man. So these guilty people should be punished unless in the front of all public, so that other people should take the lesson that this act should not be repeated again. Child marriage, actually, when we see in the backward areas of our Pakistan, which includes the backward areas of Balochistan and Sindh, the women are considered to be in the age of 16 to be married, and actually in the age of 60, the thing is that in 16 years age, the women cannot be on the maturity level. So she does not have a sexual senses. She does not have a sexual senses, financial senses, emotional senses, the senses that a mature lady should have. She is empty of that. So the thing is that early child marriage is a crime, and we should report to police, as our departmental police has given us right to prove ourselves. Honor killings. Actually, the thing is that in our backward areas, from specifically from the Sindh and Balochistan, the women, when considered as Karo and Kari in Sindh and Balochistan respectively, in December 2004, the government passed a bill made a Karo Kari punishable under the same penal provisions as a murder. In 2016, Pakistan repealed the loophole which allowed the perpetrators of honor killings to avoid punishment by seeking the forgiveness for the crime. Actually, the thing is that when these people see their women having affair with any boy, they do not think, they just took the rifle and shoot the woman without thinking that what was the kind and what was actually the behind the story. So the thing is that they should first think and then act. And the honor killings, the women have been victimized and murdered so far at the high rates. The last but not the least, we have the acid attacks. Not only in Pakistan but throughout the world, specifically Indian Republic, we see in the many backward areas of India, when the boy asks for proposal to girls, and when girl refuses for proposal, the women are badly raped or the second option the boy adopts is the acidic attack. These attacks are actually very harmful for the women in order to destroy their entire life, their future also. We have this a gentleman whose foundation is Diplix Semelgian Foundation, provides victim of acid attacks with the opportunity to undergo this surgery to heal their faces with the help of experienced doctors while receiving the medical services they need to recover. Actually, the thing is that the entire future is disturbed, so the acid attackers should be punished badly, so that the people get lesson and be avoid from such immoral act and cruel act. The most problem, according to the survey, on the daily basis in India, 150 girls have been raped badly, according to the survey. Look, actually, the rape is a thing that a person, although the many red light areas have been opened, the people still use the rape and still follow the reptical skills in order to have the harassing skills and to accommodate their all hunger skills. I want to just suggest that the rapists in Pakistan have been also increasing gradually. Moreover, the words of rape victims are not taken with serious matter and fail to provide the victims telling the truth. In year 2006, President Pervez Musharraf passed the Protection of Women Act, and this protection have been passed, but we want to ensure the government that the government should take the initiatives in which our sister, our mother, our daughter should live life independently in the freedom of free sky. In the last, I just want to say you that you people are free to give your comments in your comment box, and I hope you like this presentation, and hopeful that the respect, the dignity and the glory of women should always be saved. Inshallah, may Allah bless you all. Thank you very much.
یہ تمام بچوں کے لیے جو کسی بھی اسٹیج پہ ہیں، 12 کلاس کے ہیں، پاکستان اسٹڈی کے ہیں، یا ہسٹری کے ہیں، یا سوشالوجی کے ہیں، ہیومن رائٹس کے حوالے سے، یا کوئی کمپٹیشن کا ایگزام دے رہے ہیں، اس کے لیے یہ فروٹفل ہے، اس کے لیے یہ کام آ سکتی ہے، اس سے فائدہ اٹھایا جا سکتا ہے. ہیومن رائٹس کے حوالے سے، خواتین کے رائٹس کے حوالے سے اس کے اوپر فردر نیکسٹ ویڈیو ہم نیکسٹ اس کے اندر بھیجیں گے. Thank you so much.